In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Sprout Social effectively in just a few minutes. So whether you're new to social media management or you're an experienced user looking to get more out of Sprout Social, this guide is for you. Let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. Once you have that open, in the search bar, type in Sprout Social. Go ahead and hit enter. You'll be directed to a search results page showing the Sprout Social website, among other resources. Now find and click on the link to Sprout Social's website. When you're on their homepage, look for the option to sign up for a free trial. This is a fantastic way to explore the platform without any initial cost. Click on Sign up for the free trial and follow the prompts to set up your account. This is a straightforward process and mostly involves entering some basic information about yourself or your business. Once inside Sprout Social, take full advantage of their in-app tours and tutorials. These guides are specifically designed to walk you through various features of the platform. They're excellent for helping you get comfortable with all the tools at your disposal and ensure you're maximizing your usage efficiently. If you're looking to dive even deeper, head over to the Sprout Academy. This is an invaluable resource offering on-demand courses, recorded webinars, and even certification programs. These materials are perfect for both beginners and seasoned professionals eager to learn more or sharpen their skills. They cover a wide range of topics and can be accessed anytime, fitting perfectly into your schedule. Next, check out the Resource Center. This area provides help with onboarding, user permissions, and management. It is an essential stop if you're setting up a team or managing multiple users within your Sprout Social account. Taking the time to understand these elements will save you a lot of headaches down the line and ensure everything runs smoothly. Should you hit any snags or need further guidance, Sprout Social's Help Center and support team are just a click away. Whether it's a simple question or a more complex issue, they're there to assist you with personalized support. Finally, to truly master Sprout Social, focus on understanding its key features. Pay particular attention to the Smart Inbox, which consolidates messages from different social accounts, publishing tools for content scheduling, listening for tracking brand mentions, robust reporting features for analytics, and the management of people and cases. Mastery of these functionalities will greatly enhance your social media management capabilities. That's it for this tutorial on how to learn Sprout Social. Remember, diving into the resources available and practicing within the platform will accelerate your learning curve. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.